Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 43 AMG Coupe. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, the AMG Night Package, which is going to give you a blacked out exterior trim, 21-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition, brushed aluminum running boards, black leather interior, pano sunroof. Come around back, rear spoiler, AMG GLE 43 badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, keyless entry, active lane assist, Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, AMG illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE 43 AMG Coupe has 19,084 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 AMG Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.